Intro, Motor Cars Reviews. Welcome to Motor Cars Reviews, your destination for detailed and honest bike insights. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of India's most trusted motorcycles, the Hero Splendor Plus. Design and build quality. The Hero Splendor Plus continues to uphold its classic design language with simple lines, a sleek fuel tank, and chrome accents. Its lightweight frame and compact body make it ideal for city commutes and daily rides. Despite its modest looks, the bike feels sturdy and well-built, reflecting Hero's reliable craftsmanship. Engine and performance. Powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, the Splendor Plus delivers 8.02 horsepower of power and 8.05 Newton-meters of torque. The engine is smooth, fuel-efficient, and tuned for consistent performance in city traffic. With Hero's i3S start-stop technology, it also helps save fuel during idle stops. Ride and comfort. The upright seating posture, soft seat, and well-balanced suspension make it comfortable for both rider and pillion. It glides easily through traffic, offering great stability even on uneven roads. The light handling adds to the effortless riding experience. Mileage and maintenance. Mileage is the strongest point of the Splendor Plus, offering around 65 to 70 km/L depending on riding conditions. Maintenance is simple and affordable, making it a top choice for budget-conscious riders. Final verdict. The Hero Splendor Plus is a timeless commuter motorcycle that delivers reliability, economy, and everyday comfort. It's a perfect bike for those who want dependable performance without compromising on mileage or quality.